Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into a topic that's super important no matter where you are in life, your health. In this video, we're going to go over 5 simple but powerful tips to help you live a healthier, happier life in 2025. 5 health tips for a better life in 2025. Whether you're looking to feel more energized, eat better, or just feel better overall, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Drink more water. Tip number 1. Drink more water. Sounds simple, right? But here's the thing. Most of us don't drink nearly enough. Did you know that dehydration can cause headaches, fatigue, and even affect your mood? So, what's the magic number? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, or about 2 liters. And if you're really active, you may need even more. If plain water isn't your thing, try infusing it with fruits like lemon, lime, or cucumber to give it a refreshing twist. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost your overall health. Tip number 2. Eat a balanced diet. Next up, let's talk food. We all know eating fruits and veggies is good for us, but are you getting enough? A balanced diet doesn't mean deprivation, it means variety. Make half your plate fruits and veggies, include healthy fats from sources like avocado or olive oil, and choose lean proteins like chicken, tofu, or beans. And don't forget about fiber. It's crucial for digestion and can help you feel full longer. Aim for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These are packed with fiber and great for your heart. Tip number 3. Move your body. It doesn't matter if it's a walk around the block, a quick 15-minute workout, or a yoga session, regular physical activity is essential for good health. Exercise helps manage weight, reduce stress, boost your mood, and even improve sleep. Experts recommend at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. If you're short on time, break it up into 10-minute sessions, it all counts. Tip number 4. Prioritize sleep. Next up, sleep. I know, we all love to binge watch our favorite shows or scroll through our phones, but getting enough sleep is one of the most important things you can do for your health. Adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. When you're well rested, you have more energy, improved focus, and a better mood. Plus, quality sleep supports your immune system and helps with weight management. So, aim for a consistent sleep schedule and avoid caffeine late in the day. Tip number 5. Manage stress. Finally, stress management. Chronic stress can take a toll on your body, leading to headaches, high blood pressure, and even affecting your sleep. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is key to long-term wellness. Try incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even taking a walk outside. And don't forget the power of laughter. Seriously, it's been shown to lower stress hormones and improve your mood. So there you have it, 5 simple ways to take your health to the next level. Remember, small changes add up over time. It's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Start today for a healthier tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Drop a comment below with your favorite health tip, or let me know how you're planning to improve your health this year. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe for another video.